to my channel, guys. It's Actress Shayna. Me there out a latto shop. Me I go show you one little experiment in the morning. A experiment latto or
yeah, we are killing a tree, killing a fig.
Yeah, Dad.
They try to kill a fig. You see fig? What we call a fig, you see me?
In go show you what matter. Me never been seeing this yet.
No, I don't.
But latto do
every day is a new thing, alright. It's a fig. You see? It's a fig. It's a fig. It grew up on the tree, see? Look more. See it there? Come on, so come on, so me show you. Alright, that's a vein, you know.
See, this is matter, guys. See.
Yeah, you call that a
fig. Let me touch him.
Not this, you know. Not this, you know. Because this is a ground cover. Or flowers.
Yeah.
This is a fig. See it there?
Yeah. See it run
long,
gone
see
up there,
gone straight up on the tree. See it there?
See gone up there, sir.
You what I wanna do? I wanna ask you one night rest. And if I ask you one night rest, I take over your thing and murder it. See it there? So you ain't gone there. So why my farm?
Oh, see me don't have. Yes, you ain't get fat up there, sir.
So you wanna watch out? I'm start for the star tree, you know. If you take over, you know, so look more for now. In back root right there, so.
Yeah.
And build there, so.
Oh, see root right there.
Stronger star tree there now, and build for himself and get big, you know.
Yeah, see root right there, so.
And call himself one fig.
Okay.
You understand me? I say, come, let me show you. Alright, come up here some more. Come, walk up.
Me coming.
Alright, people know what you say. I'm a machete, you see me, and I have to sharp me two sides for shoving in the farm. What? Mama, see the tree I'm talking about.
No.
Look on it.
Oh, that big fat tree that over there. With the heap of root.
Right, I root that you see come down.
See the tree there where
I'm talking about. See, it named fig. See it there? That named fig. So, when you ask the one night rest, I say go out and take over a star tree, you know, swing around the star tree and take you over and star for it and kill the star tree and feed off a star tree.
Oh.
So you come like it's a vampire.
Oh.
That suck out the tree.
You see, it's full of one heap of root.
So, yes. So, you have to get rid of
see
it.
That, see all that little root them on the see come down?
Yes. So that is the reason why now me I use a tooth, me I cut the vein and I put use the child suck in a root. So when the suck it go eventually go up and kill a tree. You see me? See that's so you cut. I mean I want it stand in front of my shop. I want it dead for early.
You want it dead?
I want it dead for early.
Yeah.
You see how you stay now? But guess what? It's a nice board. You see me? Because you have a white fig and you have a red fig. You see me, you see a white fig soft, but the red fig a good furniture board. Meaning that one day up there, so look. Rock, that one there a red fig.
A big one up on the rock.
Yeah, well, behind that one out there, so. That one there a red fig. You see me?
Yeah.
So that can cut board. See, yeah, good board. But this one a white, this one a soft. But a vampire.
So the one where they grew up on the tree, did they so?
White one, and this one yeah.
This one.
Vampire that the one them say man.
Alright, so guys, exactly what I go on. He might try to see if he can kill the fig tree from the root. And listen how he might do it. Remember say fig tree tie up on the starper tree. So him have to be careful because he don't want to kill the starper tree. So I'm going to show you what I do. Make it make sense. You tell me if it makes sense. To me, it make a lot of sense. Because nobody have to teach you something sometimes. You can just use your head. Alright guys, you know look. So this is what I to decide to do.
This is still a farm store. See it?
This a poison.
Yes.
2,4-D.
2,4-D. Eventually kill root system. You see me I say any tree you have with your problem over your place and thing, you don't want to use no power saw or nothing. You just buy this and just chip your root like all down here so, chop you out and you throw some in it and eventually you make it stay. Eventually it suck from this and it take time the tree start dry up all the leaves start shed off and something till eventually kill the tree. You see me? So this name 2,4-D, you see me?
Okay, so I want you show them how you go use if you kill the fig tree and the star apple tree.
So as we said, see vein them here, that one are young, we don't want to take over the star. So I cut it because normally this is how to be the feeder. This is the feeder we go down on the ground. If you notice the seed, I go down on the ground. So it's suck from the earth. You see me? In so one liquor sick in suck from the earth. See me? When I cut off, it's a feeder. So
see it the one cut off down there so guys and you can see liquor white.
Alright. So definitely this year now, I know I said this year they go feed up at the suck. I suck from here, so go up. So me go
and
put
it
on
suck
this.
from the root, guys.
Yes.
It suck from the root.
So me get it 240 and me put on the panny. You understand? But normally true, me now want something else for you.
If you put it in a it, you have to go get something for rest down in it. Like you tie one bigger buckle than that panny and rest down that tonight. One buckle we can hang up and then you rest that. Yeah. Because you don't want to drop and throw away.
I don't want to throw away.
But it did alright round there, so more you show them round there, so.
Yeah, but it's a bamboo. It's a bamboo. Me have round there, so me could have simple put round there, so. But anyway.
Oh, so you show them how you do it, yes, sir?
Alright.
Okay, guys, you don't look like a skill, you see?
What if you there one part which I so it can work?
Right.
Nobody now molest. So
right.
eventually it did it. You see me, see it?
Guys, and a prize, nobody not supposed to molest you.
I don't really. I know say, you know, right, if me touch it, beat out my gloves. Come on, come on, come on. You see, if you notice, look, you understand? It's very poisonous, it's very deadly.
Tough.
You see, enough use nowhere near fishing industry, right? Nowhere near river stream, nowhere near that. Just believe what I say, you see me? But, right now, as I say, you're supposed to have on your gloves and your mask and whatever. But as I say, I now make it flash for me with them. In a backer, I now make it flash for me. Understand me?
Yeah, and I'm going to wash it on.
You know the guidelines say, yes. I don't want to go say I smoke, which I know say it's bad.
No, you're not
believe
smoking.
Me, I don't touch me smoking. As me done, I go wash me and I just shake and I get rid of the figure off of the stopper. Which me know, again, me I say to you, if you are going to use it, make sure you have a gloves, and you have a goggles, and you have your eyeglass, right?
Have your protective gears, guys.
Gears.
Yeah.
Don't make it splash in your face.
Latto know about it because a long time I use it.
I use it for like from 2000.
Yes, so.
But
you know same without the gloves, you know
so,
what I'm doing.
everybody do them thing. You know, say it's very dangerous, but everybody, sometimes it happen to everybody.
Yeah.
You understand me? I say?
You're going to touch you one at a time without it.
You understand? Yeah, tell you honest truth. So, when you see me do it, protect it. Don't you see me tie up, so if you can do it a better way, you do it. I just throw me now the thing if you put up, if you catch it, that's enough. Fall over. You understand me? So it's a car, time up. We want to give this like, for instance, like 10 minutes. For the vein can suck somebody. Suck somebody 240 in the system. Then we take it off back. And then a couple of days later now, we're going to need Mama to come back, feel the tree when they dry up and show you what me talk about. So you don't have to use a power saw, you don't have to use a machete chop down a tree to kill something. If you have a tree and they block you, just get a back to 240 and chip it and paint it with a paintbrush. And then that's it. Tree dead.
Tree dead.
Yeah, me go cut a tree, you go drop on my house and whatever. Tree dead,
well,
just leaf.
Tree dead,
just a little bit of leaf.
So, mind your pies. And your pies in the man, see, you rasta there, so.
No.
He's cliff in our mouth.
No, you know.
You want a light? Me give him a light. Okay. Oh God, Latto, you know, long is a man there, so I beg a light.
Mama, you know, job. I have to go make a doctor check him in here.
No, rasta Latto, he just there, so.
In great not true.
With the one cliff in our mouth, you know, long in there, so.
Bob Marley, brother, man, I'm going.
And his cliff, none done.
In they get old though.
Yeah, they get black like you have cataract or something.
Yeah, doctor. Next week we are going to make him go a doctor.
Yes, man, he want beard do a Latto.
In face one wash. In face one wash.
In face one wash.
Yeah.
Let me show him, guys. Latto shop at night time.
In name, stay there.
Stay there, in name?
Yeah, stay there.
Stay there. One next one over here, so you know, but he not decide what he want to be yet, if he's a bird.
When we find him in blind, I want an eagle.
Oh, an eagle?
Yeah, so yeah, you see it?
Oh, in blind?
Yeah, in blind, I want blind eagle.
Oh, guys.
His chest plate big, you know, and that's why I keep him, because he have flesh for them.
Oh.
Yeah, but that one name stay blind. And that one name stay there.
Okay, stay blind and stay there.
Yeah, stay blind and stay there.
And a rampant Latto, you know. Stay blind and stay there. Right there, so. You're not even that quaint. So guys, you see around here, so now, Latto did already put the back around here, so. If you don't notice, that part they down there so wet. Backside and it turned red.
Alright.
So, actually this absorbs some of the poison. But in the back, and it'll go up in the tree, so he want to go up there and kill the big root them when I see me showing around there. So he might try something. Me go actually come Why you say 10 days time or 10 weeks?
No man.
He may go actually come in a few days time and come look and see. And see the result. I'm going to definitely show you the result.
Oh, I'm going to show you how you do it.
Alright, I'm going to show you something else.
You know, say we're not lie, I swear. Nah, lie.
Yeah, a lot of farm. So all who want planting if you buy jelly coconut and then something if you buy, a lot of them they sell. Go down a mobile market. Right down there so. And supporting business right in front.
You support the bakery because you don't know say how them bun, them bull and them bread. Nice. You see me I say? Yeah man, person did them spice bun and then cheese bread. They're nice man. Alright, so me I talk about your people. Put your on it. Look, show them a leaf. The droppings so me I talk about.
Alright.
See that? Alright,
see all of them dry leaf here are grown actually shed from the tree.
We shall same thing me use, the 240, you see?
Alright. So, tell them what you do to this.
240, same thing in our back. I chip it tree. You see me chip it right round like this. Because when green, you see me? And then me paint it. Use my paintbrush and paint it, alright. If you notice, I'm not sure you say, I say you go take time and dry up. So you take time and dry up every leaf, drop off it.
Yeah.
Every leaf, you see them?
Yeah, see leaf a fall there. See one fall there.
Yeah, so.
Who see that live?
Yeah. You take time, dry up and drop off, and when you drop off now, you leave them take time and break down little.
Yeah, because see some I leave them turn color and some.
When time it break down now, you know. When go up, nothing is not there. We short if you drop and mash up like no part on car and that. When you see they get dry up.
Yeah.
When all I leaf left, you can see they rock now. But we take time and break off the little.
Yeah, worse if breeze blow a limb pop off.
So you know an idea when all I limb come off fight, that no mean no say somebody can climb me. Somebody can take time climb me and limb off the little limb off them and they can climb. That's what I say, but you know say clear where you can see. If you hold on pan them time. Yeah man, that's what I do, chip off. You see me chip them there? So all them big tree they're dead. You see me? So sooner they say they bust up them tree there and everything are dead. Cause when the storm come, they mash up my plant. All of them big tree here.
Oh yes, in chip couple more tree up there so.
All of the one that chip them. You see me?
See it there, in chip couple more tree up there so see them there.
So now end idea.
Yeah, so them the one they soon drop guys.
Yeah man.
Yeah, we in a farm.
What you mean?
Big farm. I don't know, play farm. I don't know, liquor farm.
Alright, so I'm not going to
alright, latto sharpening machete front and back so.
See.
This is the reason for sharpening the machete front and back. You work with it faster and it's more easier to angle. You understand what I'm talking about?
This is the reason why.
You chop front and you chop a back. Side. You chop front and you chop side and side. Why? No. Wolfrog? Why? No. Why no? No, me a go over. No, if vlog done your son. Come on. No, you have to kill him, let me see, kill him. No, you catch him.
I'm not sure.
No, me afraid of him.
All of them don't sit there go on.
See, why me not like in the bush when the rain fall, me not like bullfrog. Latto when gone.
In the gone up there, someone.
Catch him, Latto, catch him. But me can't watch the video and look for him, you know. Jesus.
Come. See it.
Let me show you why around here. Him chop and make the frog jump where you know.
That is the reason why,
I mean, now crap out that part of the video because I nearly cut the video. Me say, me don't know who send that frog they come, guys. Me don't like frog. And anyway, me go and see frog me ready same time as so me stay. Me don't like them. Who see something we jump on me and me not see when he turn. When turn.
And the frog we do you know the runner down. If frog gone about business, you gone about your business.
They run me down when they're ready. Me don't like them.
If frog gone about business, man.
Latto, you know say me dream say me lick one bullfrog or me dream say frog and me take up one stone and me lick him.
Yeah.
You see same stone when me use lick the frog, Latto.
Yeah.
The frog look for his stone, you know, Latto, and pass much stone. And take up the same stone and fling it. Feel it, me Latto, you see when the frog fling his stone off of me?
Yeah.
Me jump like me a sight his stone and all the sight me a sight his stone. The stone tips me pa me foot, you know. You see, I me wake up and tell one Christian lady in the morning, remember Scotty?
Yeah.
before she dead.
Yeah.
And you know what she tell me say?
Yeah.
Me need to pray more often because me make enemy overcome me in me sleep in me dream because bullfrog are evil.
Yeah.
Later you see when me wake up in the morning, I want big lump swell up on my leg, you know.
You lick your feet over.
One big lump there on my leg and me and Devoni I go follow me go a doctor. You see when me reach a road later?
Yeah.
The lump gone, you know.
Yeah.
And me and Dev go a KFC with the money. Me don't know where that the lump they come from. One big fat round lump under my leg like. Yeah, and I dream and me don't know me wake up with it and it hot and it tough. Me not like frog.
Good. Yeah, that's how it is with you, man. See, look on them plant, you know.
Already go on a call, it take time they go back up there, so where frog go that? Over there, so in there?
Over there, so you go.
Oh.
And you go to real coffee.
Where coffee there?
The coffee tree, mama.
You can't go show them, you know, because I go there up there, frog gone.
No, man.
You say, if you make me walk up on the frog over there this man, need again. Me have to walk on a side step. Up here somewhere in there when the frog. Oh. Guys, this is a coffee tree.
Wow.
Latto, let me tell you, a long time I see one coffee tree with the beer up.
Look there.
This used to full in a yard of a Chester Castle and milk in a coffee and cocoa.
May I show you how time stay, you know.
Me used to pick coffee.
Look my life, you know. Imagine, in a day time, the scene, look how coffee beer, and you have to pick, look, one grain. Imagine one grain of this.
Full one big black crate.
When I 5 gallon.
Jesus.
Bucket them.
Remember them days, them man.
Oh God, you think a little bit of work?
A true man.
And then I come tell about $260 for you. Oh God.
I go pick 100 bucks of coffee. Jesus Christ.
As much as you see them green, you
can't pick a green one, you have to pick out the ripe ones.
And look, yes, when you're done, me not tell you no lie. Look here, so. Look in here, so. You want to see thing them pity me liquor and see liquor red one them. See them here? Look in here, so you see them? You see them here?
Yeah.
When you're done to pick one bucket of this amount of bite you get from them, you say, Lord Jesus Christ, because you don't want to go tea.
So I don't see coffee for a long time. Still have to have coffee tree. So Latto,
me keep it. As remember, some
yeah, don't kill it up. Latto,
and the tourists them come and want to see it.
Latto, so you can't catch more of it.
See me have your
catch coffee catch.
See
me have more coffee. Guys, coffee walk did up here, you know, like long time. But them are dead up, but Latto lucky fi keep on care. So that's why him still have. Only 2 you have left?
No, man, me have over there, so.
Okay, see one more coffee tree here, guys. That one here fat, that one here sturdy. Yeah, coffee there, panny. Let me show you. Coffee is on it. Look, see coffee there, you see them? And them are coffee here fat. Pity me liquor for deep. Yes, the panny.
Weeks, man, all in the beard, man. You just they're not biting on the imagination where you are that you come out tight. You say God knows still all about your neck. And nothing on your neck, you know.
Them bite, them burning and them make it red, you know. So Latto, you can catch more coffee tree.
Alright, when it's that beer now, and then dry. No, me pick them from the stage when they and put them and dry them and set them in the dirt and make them bust up.
So you have to catch more tree.
I don't want too much, man, because
you're not using it.
No, sir. Yeah.
So what?
Money, you know?
Coffee, no eat me coffee tea, man.
Who go picky?
No, you. After you not go have one hole, you have 110 tree and you're good.
Mama, you are a wickedest thing to pick, brother.
No, you don't want to pick, you just have 10 tree. You say you have them 2 beautiful tree there. You have 1 patch of beer coffee there, so 10 tree no more.
The thing if you catch away, that's then start inventing machine them now.
I sell you a look coffee for sell?
No, cause everything they go easy.
No, you just have them
the ash. With one little machine and put on it on the tree and go so and press one little button and it take off the ripe one, them dropping on one sitting and it take off the back and
I sell you take time. I sell you take time to raise them 2, 3 you have to sell.
No, me raise them for tourist attraction.
So that's why me I say, get 8 more. Make them look no far.
Me have more 8.
Side of them one another.
No, me don't want them side of them one another. I want place the film go down.
The film go down, man?
One place when them come.
So you want film some and then and you show them some over there, so?
I want different set of thing up there, so.
Alright,
they see one next pretty coffee tree and them I say, whoa.
One more up here.
So I show them one next sitting, and them I say, whoa. And then buck up on one next pretty one. I don't want enough.
You don't want enough, guys, because you see you don't see where I'm going, guys. You see plant them and now he can make a quick thing of
No, he plant them and them want.
You see? So if me tell if you plant them they know for that you are here.
Yeah.
But you know I hear about that coffee and then you think got the coffee there.
And that one here.
Hey! Yeah man, that's why I keep the place clean.
You know?
So that's why I sharpen the machete front.
Banana and plantain.
Side and side in sharpen the machete, guys. Side and side.
Yeah, side and side.
Over here always clean. Yeah, a farm, you may think I want land with the pan, but he land there over there so. But with the pan the farm now. Just clean the farm clean, see it there. I saw farm for clean. That's when the frog jump, me can't see.
What you going to know?
What you deal with fire? When I phone I ring in a shop, if I don't feel me I feel. Because two of them ring the same way.
Shop, it must get up, let's see.
Go ring till it poil. 10 minutes gone long time, about 40 something minutes since we left this right here. So
do same thing, no matter.
So I might remove it. Come from under this. Come over here, so.
Yeah man, so I hate that guys. So you're going to watch here now. You know? See how best you can do it. Close up everything here now. I'm going to put the cover. Oh,
you lock up your back now because this will get already.
Yeah, I do it already. So I'm going to watch him to see what going on.
I'm going to wash your hand.
On the pig, you see me?
Fishy come.
Alright, so that. So he soak around the sun, he soak right there, so he lock up back his backer. So we are going to see what go on. Couple days from now, then we don't know dirt. You see me? What you say? You see what rat in your house and night and you sleep and turn on the inside light?
Look all about.
People.
Oh, a little rat that man that can do.
Big rat.
Big rat.
You don't see me over in the bush a while ago run from the bullfrog. Hey, you know see color afraid of bullfrog too. He say one rat in the house at the night and he was afraid he have to turn on the light.
Rat man.
Not big so.
A mongoose.
A rat man.
No sir.
A rat.
Yeah, actually I went 3 of them, you know. 3 of them man, yeah, 3 of them. And them a back one another too, you know.
Yeah. Them a run down there one another.
You know, you have a big and a big. Yeah.
So
big,
no only go on there.
No. So you know, say if you got.
We are the side bigger one there front.
Yeah.
And then the second middle size one.
And then
the their back.
Yeah.
So probably a father, mother and Pitney then.
Well, I mean, I know, but no father and mother and Pitney could have big son.
So our big son.
No family them man, brother.
Brother, sister and cousin.
Yeah.
Brother, sister and cousin.
So brother, sister and cousin bigger than mother, father and brother?
To his level what in the pan.
No, I can't mother and father.
And Pitney that.
Okay, so that means say mother bigger then.
But you know, I can't mother and father, you know. I want auntie them.
Auntie.
I want auntie them.
Either his mother, sister, or father, brother, yeah. Yeah, man, 3 rats.
So we don't know in our house, how they end up with the little jammings like we don't know in our sleep. I hear little shuffling. We don't look out. A family a rat. A mother, father, and the auntie. You understand? Can be all the uncle too. You understand?
Call the food.
Look food for kids.
I don't see afraid of rat because I say here rat in our house. And he turn on the light quick.
I said they look all about.
Yeah.
Now pull out a bit.
Alright, then I tell us the last night I come in and I'm chopping. It's like when I come in, seeing, I come in for a night town and I go so boom and go in a shop and I did that.
Yeah.
I turn off the music. Go so boom and turn off the lights.
See.
Me and one little running and I say boom buckle. What kind of running this? Like you run past one bag and touch and I say boom buckle. I go so boom and turn on back like when I look. I do feel my shit same time. I run for my shit, see pussy and now. I turn on the light and I know we don't have something.
Yeah, like then that's what. Yeah.
The correct car. So my shit there, so boom and pull and go so. Bam again. And drop my ground and go so. Bam again and so. Boom buckle and just go so. Bam for my machine. I come out and so in the night so. Look.
Swear that, blood.
Lot of drama, you know. Watch it.
Yeah.
He over there.
This is the lie me I tell. Yeah man, last night, right I say in the head me chop him man. Right in the head me lick him last night. And I come in the shop. And flick on back the light. Bam in the head, right as so. You know make no move. See? Murder.
All hands take care.
You know I'm nothing in a shop. And you know I'm nothing in a still look. I don't dry good but you see shot the run past. What they me buy one poison and set you and in Nyama. They say me buy one poison and set you and the rat. Nyama have to
And drink water and get
drink
fat.
water and get strong. Look how rat big. Good thing.